Maggie.
And I'm Emily.
And you're watching the CMS Broadcast.
Today is Thursday, February 27th.
Today is National Chocolate Cake Day.
Yeah, but today is also National Bubble Wrap Day.
I love bubble wrap. It's so fun.
Which do you like more, chocolate cake or bubble wrap?
I don't know.
I have a joke for you. If you drop a piece of chocolate cake out of a plane, how do you make sure it doesn't break? You wrap it in bubble wrap.
That's really funny. Do you have any other good jokes?
Yeah, knock knock.
Who's there?
Noble.
Noble who?
Nobel, that's why I knock.
Wow, these jokes are so good.
Yeah, I want to be a professional joke teller when I grow up.
That's so cool. Did you know that a day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus?
I'm so glad that I know that. That's super cool.
Guess what else is super cool? The largest bowling alley in Japan, and it has 116 lanes.
Wow.
Do you know that there are 25 days until spring break and only 103 days until summer break?
That's so soon. I'm so excited. Educators have a field trip at the end of the year at Bullwinkle's.
Oh, that's so cool. Is there any requirements for the 8th grade to go on the field trip?
Yes, the 8th graders field trip eligibility requirements: no more than 3 minor infractions tier 2 and no major infractions tier 3 starting on May 12th until the end of the day of the field trip. Students must be passing 5 out of 7 classes, which means you cannot earn a failing grade in more than 2 classes. The final grade check will be June 9th.
Well, that is a lot of requirements. The 8th graders should be on their best behavior for the end of the year. Did you know that parent-teacher conferences are on April 10th and 11th? More details to follow.
I didn't know that. Did you know that Jackie and Shadows, the 2 bald eagles nesting in Big Bear Valley, might come to be proud parents this weekend?
That's so cool. The last boys basketball game was at Western Christian.
Good luck, CMS basketball players.
And congrats to all the students that met the requirements for honor roll last semester.
Okay, I think that's all for the CMS broadcast. Bye.
Bye. That's Tia Hawkins.
So,
You know, that day is, that a day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus.
okay, let's try it one more time.
Yeah. This is
My bad.
Foundation of Rural Service Community Equipment Grant Program.
Okay, thank you for the.
That's so cool.
Oh, that's so cool.